draw Superboy, and I'm gonna need a pencil. Kids need to need a pencil, then the drawings come neatly.
Hi everyone. We're going to draw Superboy today. So we're going to start with the top half of our page, and we're going to start with his hair. So we're going to make a flat curve.
The flat curve.
And then take a curve up.
Take a curve up.
Bring it back down.
Bring it back down.
And then again curve it sideways.
And
then curve it again for the hair. I'm going to go back again down.
with the curve.
Yep. And same thing on the left hand side. We're going to do up and down. And then one up and down curve. Again go down on this end.
Go down.
And then we're going to join it back up for his hair.
Up.
Then we're going to do zigzag lines. That go and meet. Good job. And we're going to finish the head. It's round in shape, so you're going to go from this end to this end and bring this slightly vertical line down, and then we're going to join it. So we're going to go a big curve.
A big curve.
And he also has eyes like Powerpuff Girls, so they're going to be nice, big and round. We're going to go one big round.
One big round.
We're going to make one more round inside.
One more round inside.
And then one tiny one along the eye. Same thing on this end. From this edge of the hair, we're going to make another eyeball. So we're going to go round.
From here.
Yeah, from that edge, yes. And we're going to make one more round.
More round.
And then a small round inside. Okay. We're going to make the smile, and he's half smiling, so it's going to be top to bottom. Yes. And we're going to draw his body now. So I'm going to go two vertical lines very close to each other.
Two vertical lines.
And we then draw horizontal line to join them.
Horizontal line to join them.
And we're going to make the legs now. They slightly curve outwards. And then the other one is a straight line, and then curve it back. So we made two legs. We're going to make a curve and a curve for the shoe.
A curve and a curve for the shoe.
And then make two horizontal lines.
Two horizontal lines.
And we're going to try to make two rectangles on his shoe. And we're going to make a slant line that's going across his shirt.
A slant line is going across his shirt.
We're going to make his arms, so a tiny C up.
Tiny C.
Yep. And then the same thing, make a bigger C for his hand.
Make a bigger C for his hand.
Same thing on the other side, on the left hand side, a small curve.
A small curve.
And then a big one for the hand.
A big one.
And then make a horizontal line inside on both sides.
Make a horizontal line.
We're going to make one more horizontal line. And we're just going to color the left hand side smaller portion black. And same thing with the shoes, we color them black. And the top portion on the other side is going to be black.
Yeah.
And you can color the eyeball. So we finished drawing Superboy. Now we're going to color him. You're going to need black, blue and green, and also a little bit of grey.
That's for you. Have a good day, friends. Come for next learn to do a see ya.